Yankee lady was manufactured in, as the war was ending. It was the 8th to the last airplane to come off the assembly line. After it got off the assembly line, it sat for a while, but it went to work for the Coast Guard as a search and rescue in the North Atlantic. Then it got into civilian life and ended up being a bore rate bomber or a fire bomber. And of course, being a fire bomber and what they used it for, every piece of metal that they could take off it was taken off it. You know, no bomb bay doors, there was nothing in there but 2 big water tanks, no guns or anything else that they could take off. In 1986, it was put up, sold, and down in Arizona, there were 5 of them, I believe. And the Yankee Air Museum purchased this one. It took over 9 years to restore it. I've been doing this 14 years, and what a thrill it's been, especially in the earlier part of so many veterans coming out and telling their experience, their stories.
On behalf of the Yankee Air Museum, I'd like to present you with this small medal in recognition of your World War II service. Thank you very much for serving.
Thank you. Out of the factory, just to pilot and make. And it rattled and shook like that one does. Brand new one.
Wow. It truly has really been great. And that has really, it's the people that make it for me and for us people around here.
You won a ride on the B-17?
That's correct, at the membership lunch.
All right, now this is for the B-17 bomber, okay? Ready? Here we go.
Andrew Harrington.
Have you ever ridden on a plane like this?
No, I haven't. I sure haven't. Just regular commercial planes.
Yeah, well, yeah.
But I'm really looking forward to it.
Down pointed to the ground, would turn around 180 first. The guns would go to the ground, this would be on the back, up in the aircraft. After takeoff, the gentleman would get in and get out before a landing. So if you lost your landing gear, you'd be kind of toast.
Yeah, that would be.
The 7 years that I've been going to air shows now, part of what he said, but also from gunners, they say that this is one of the safest places because you have a panoramic shooting area. And fighters got to know that. They would attack all other parts of the aircraft rather than come here. This is where they could be blown away. So actually, even though it was down here, and you think it's one of the worst places to be, it was one of the safest places to be.
That's right. Can't let you go back in the tail or the ball turret, but no matter where you sit, once the gear gets up, I'll give you the signal. You get up and walk all over. Come up into the cockpit a couple at a time, up into the glass nose a couple at a time, but rotates, everybody gets a chance. We'll be up about 30 minutes. If you follow me, we'll get you seated.
Well, that was amazing, wasn't it? That was just really something. That was 100 times more exciting than I thought it'd be. I was a little nervous.